你跟 UB 选的机器人有什么区别呀？
您当前位于松原动力展台，欢迎咨询松原动力相关问题，其他品牌内容您可前往其他展台进行咨询。
At the 2026 World Robot Conference in Beijing, Noetix Robotics brought its highly realistic X-Head 1, better known as Xiaoyue, beautifully showcased together with the new male version, Xiaocheng, and 4 completely different biomimetic character designs. The company says that the new Xiaoyue and Xiaocheng received a full chain upgrade to their interaction system. This naturally includes specially treated acoustic chamber speakers to make their voices far more expressive and engaging.
机器人，我和现场的小朋友们不太一样，你们靠吃饭睡觉获得能量，我靠充电就能续航。你们会累、会困、会走神，我。
Furthermore, a new dynamic data generation algorithm also actively feeds richer, more continuous facial detail, truly closing the remaining gap between machine and person. Alongside the flagship Xiaoyue and Xiaocheng models, they also unveiled 4 brand new biomimetic characters. These include Senyu, the gentle forest elf messenger, Qiao, the wanderer of the Crimson Desert, the beautifully composed Shuangli, and the mysterious Yelan. The brilliant industry secret here is that all 4 of these distinct personalities are actually built on the exact same X-Head 1 base model, with absolutely no need for complex hardware remodeling or structural redesign. By simply applying software-based character customization and highly unique makeup styles, they successfully break the industry norm where a different look still feels like the exact same character. In China, the official pricing for the Xiaoyue X-Head 1 biomimetic head and neck module currently sits at 99,000 yuan, which roughly translates to $15,000.